In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use list reports in QuickBooks Online. List reports are a simple but very useful tool when you want to view basic information stored in your QuickBooks file, especially things like customer contacts, supplier details, or your chart of accounts. Think of them as clean, structured data lists that help you quickly find, review, print, or export important business information. To get started, go to the left-hand navigation panel and click Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its reporting tools, including the list reports we'll be using here. Once you're on the Reports page, use the Find Report by Name search bar to locate the specific list report you need. You can type in keywords such as Customer Contact List, Supplier Contact List, or Account List. Using the search bar is the fastest way to get to the exact report, especially if you already know what kind of information you're looking for. When the correct report appears, click the report title to run it. QuickBooks will then generate the report on your screen so you can review the data immediately. Now, one of the best things about list reports is that they're easy to customize. Since these reports are mainly straightforward data lists, you can adjust them to show only the details that matter to you. With the report open, click the Customize button at the top left, then scroll down to the Rows and Columns section. This area lets you control which columns appear in the report. From there, use the checkboxes to add or remove information. For example, you might want to show phone numbers, email addresses, or billing addresses depending on how you plan to use the report. This is especially helpful if you're preparing a contact sheet, reviewing account data, or creating a cleaner export for use outside QuickBooks. If you want to change the order of the columns, click and hold the 9 dots next to a column name, then drag it into the position you prefer. Reordering the columns can make the report easier to read and more useful for your workflow. After making your changes, click Run Report to apply them and refresh the report with your updated layout. Finally, if you want to share or save the information outside QuickBooks, you can export or print the report. To export it to Excel, click the Export icon at the top right of the report. It looks like a small downward arrow, then select Export to Excel. This is a great option if you want to sort, filter, or work with the data in spreadsheet form. If you need a physical copy, click the printer icon next to the Export button. This formats the report for printing so you can create a clean hard copy of the list. And that's how to use list reports in QuickBooks Online.